Hey guys, Dan the Man here. Today I've got another unboxing for you guys. Here I have the Samsung Watch 7. This is the 40 millimeter edition of it. Comes with 32 gigabytes of internal storage, lots of storage for the apps and stuff you want to install on it, or if you're planning to use Spotify and download the music to the watch. And I believe 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is sufficient for such a unit. Good AMOLED screen, and let's open this thing up. It says made in Vietnam. This thing's gonna cost you about $200. First time I'm actually opening this thing up. Perfect. As you can see, we have the Watch 6 Classic 47 millimeter edition next to it for comparison. I'm wearing it right now at the moment. Let's have this opened up. It should be pretty straightforward to open this thing up. Well, you're presented with the greenish kind of edition of this watch. It looks nice. It's a beautiful watch. It's light in color. As for comparison, you can see like this is a lot bigger and this is a lot lighter. So let's have this switched on as we speak. And the good thing is that with the newer watches, like you can use the same strap that you used on your Samsung S Watch 4, 5, or 6. It's going to work with this one as well, as long as it's a 20 millimeter edition of the strap. It's going to work with these as well. So no worries in that regard. That's good that they kept it that way so that you can still use the older straps. This thing can detect sleep apnea and stuff like that, and a couple of more perks to it. Pretty much the same, but got better features and more stuff to it, and a newer processor and hardware. So it comes with a charger, a magnetic charger. So if you happen to have the Samsung Watch 6, you can use the same watch to basically same charger to charge up your watch. This thing's not opening up. Okay, let me tear it apart. It's the same magnetic charger that you get in the other watches as well. Wow, it took a while for it to come out. So very simple, nothing else. So it's in a different language. I'm gonna change the language, but you're gonna need a phone and pair it with the phone and have this updated. It does not have that rotating bezels anymore, unfortunately, like this one, So it doesn't have that. I wish it had it, but you're gonna navigate around it pretty easily, I would say. Let's find English United States, but I believe you need to have technically the thing with you, and I believe you get some user manual guides and stuff like that in there. So in terms of boxes, even they're the same, they're equal. Samsung has been using the same boxes for a while, I can see that. So it's a great watch. It's a good watch. It's just a good fitness little thing to have for comparison. This is a lot smaller and lighter. This is made of aluminum or aluminium, and this one's made of stainless steel. I prefer this one's build quality, but this is smaller and nicer actually in hand. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna post probably a review of this later, and I'm gonna compare it against this one to see how they basically how it goes. Anyways, thank you so much. You can subscribe to my channel, donate, do whatever you want, and I appreciate it that you've been here so far watching this, and wish you guys a great morning, evening, and afternoon wherever you are in the world. Thank you again. See you guys.